Let me ask you something, and don't answer me. Answer yourself. When last did your partner touch you and you actually felt something? I'm not talking about routine, I'm talking about obligation. I mean reconnection. I mean that feelings you just had. That is what this video is all about. You see, most people think relationship ends with fight, shouting, cheating, drama. But the truth is, most relationships don't end like that. They end quietly. No noise, no warning. Just two people slowly becoming stranger. And the worst part is, they are still together. I remember this conversation I can't forget. There was this guy married with 2 kids, stable life. From the outside, it looked perfect. One day, we were talking and I casually asked him, "How is everything at home?" He smiled, but he looked forced. He said, "We are good. We don't have problem." But then he paused and his voice dropped. He said, "Brother, I feel alone." I was like, I thought he was joking. I said, "How? You're married?" He looked at me and said something I will never forget. Being married doesn't mean you are not lonely. He said, they wake up together but don't talk. They eat but don't connect. They sleep on the same bed, feel like stranger. And that is when it hits me. Intimacy does not die in one moment. It dies in small, quiet moments that nobody pay attention to. Things that will give you that sign is: 1, conversation lose depth. You used to talk about everything, dreams, fears, random things. Now it's just logistic. Did you send it? What are we eating? Don't forget this. You are talking, but you are not connecting anymore. Number 2 sign, the little touches disappear. No more random hugs, no more sitting close. Even when you are next to each other, there is distance and nobody says it out loud. Nobody. 3, silence becomes normal. Not peaceful silence, that's heavy silence, where both of you are on your phone, avoiding something you can't even explain. 4, effort quietly dies. You stop trying. No more dressing up for each other. No more intentional moments, because in your mind, we are already here. And that mindset, it's very, very dangerous. Let me tell you another real situation. There was a woman who used to complain a lot. You don't spend time with me. You are always busy. You don't listen. The man got tired. He kept saying, why can't she just rest? Then one day, she stopped complaining. No argument, no nagging, nothing. At first, he was happy, he had peace. Finally, but after a while, something felt off. She became quiet, distant, unbothered. That is when he realized she didn't stop complaining because things got better. She stopped because she gave up. Let me say something that might hit you hard. Silence in a relationship is not always peace. Sometimes it's disconnection. Now, people think intimacy is just physical. It is not. It is emotional. It is feeling seen, wanted, because you can't live with someone and still feel completely alone inside. And I quote, distance doesn't start when you stop touching. It starts when you stop talking. And the painful part is, most people don't even realize when it starts. They just adjust just to less love, less effort, less connection, until one day they wake up and feel like they lost something, but don't even know when it happened. Intimacy doesn't come back on its own. It requires awareness, effort, intentional action, and most importantly, it requires someone to notice before it's too late. So be honest with yourself right now. Are you still building something, or you're just maintaining what is already fading? Don't explain, just type one word: trying or drifting.